Here we have a SAT math question. Okay, let's go with the information. A school district wants to make at least 600 but not no more than 700 computers available to students. To meet this goal, the superintendent puts aside a budget to install 8 new computers every month. If there is a total of 200 computers available at the school in the district, in the schools in the district currently, which of the following inequalities gives a possible number of months T for which the school district can continue to add new computers, assume T is an integer? Okay, so what we need to do is here already there are 200 computers in the school, and they purchase 8 new computers every month for the next T number of months. So 8 new computers are bought in 1 month. Then the number of the total number of computers bought in T months will be 8 times T. So already there are 200 computers, and the number of computers bought after T months will be 80. So the total number of computers will be 200 positive 80. So this is the number of computers we have already, and this is the number of computers we bought in T months. So we have them to get the total number of computers. So this total number of computers, I mean the least number, the least value of this has to be 600, because the question says wants to make at least 600 computers available to the students. The least value of the total number of computers has to be 600, but not more than 700 computers. So its maximum value is 700. Okay, now we have to solve for T. So for that, we have to isolate T. For that, we have to get rid of all the values around the variable T. So first, let me get rid of this 200. For that, I subtract 200 from everything. When I do so, this 200 negative 200 will cancel out. 600 negative 200 will be 400 less than or equal to 80 less than or equal to 700 minus 200 will be 500. Okay, now to solve for T, I have to get rid of this 8, which is multiplied by T. I divide everything by 8. So 8 will cancel out. 8 goes into 8 one times, 8 goes into 45 times, and we have 0. And 8 goes into 8 one times, 8 goes into 50 6 times. So 6 times 8 is 48. We have 2 left over. So 2 can be taken along with the next digit. It's 20. 8 goes into 20. Twice, and we have 4 left. To divide this 4 by 8, we can take a point over here. So add 1 0. So 8 goes into 45 times, we get 62.5. So the inequality what we get is 50 less than or equal to T less than or equal to 62.5. Okay, so the information says T is an integer. So T is an integer. T can be equal to 62.5, or it has to be less than 62.5. Okay, since here the first digit after the decimal point is 5, so many students will think it can be rounded to the next digit 63. But if you round it to 63, it's greater than 62.5. But the condition says T can be equal to 62.5, or it has to be less than 62.5. So it should not be rounded to the next integer. It has to be rounded to the previous integer, because T has to be an integer. So 50 less than or equal to T less than or equal to 62. So the correct answer choice for this question is option A.